Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, I wholeheartedly welcome you. Today I'm going to show you how I decorated my formal dining room Christmas tree. It is a 7.5-foot white pre-lit tree that has been fluffed out. So guys, sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. My color scheme this year for the formal dining room is rose gold, emerald green, silver, and white. I started out by climbing up on that ladder and putting this beautiful rose gold ribbon intertwined throughout the Christmas tree. With all the beautiful rose gold ribbon intertwined in the tree, and some of the topper is ready with the flare of the silver. Here we go. Voila! We have the topper with the emerald green pampas grass, along with some floral picks that were purchased from Hobby Lobby. The Hobby Lobby picks are emerald green with glitter. There is some with rose gold. And then, of course, we have the flare with all of the silver, the glitter, and all of the glitter glam that's in that topper. Isn't it beautiful? I love it. So let's talk decorations. My Christmas decorations came from a number of places. First and foremost, Hobby Lobby with their 60% off sale. Then I had decorations that was from Salvation Army, and then of course some from my stash from previous years. And that ties in the rose gold, emerald green, gold, and silver. So let's get to decorating, guys. This beautiful dove was purchased at Hobby Lobby for 60% off. Details on the sale from Hobby Lobby will be in the description box. The dove makes many appearances on the tree and has rose gold, and look at the details. The pick that's next to the dove is emerald green with glitter. It was purchased at Hobby Lobby as well. There will be many appearances of the beautiful butterfly that is silver blinged out, and it was purchased at Hobby Lobby as well at the 60% off. I use silver ribbon to make bows, and then I also have the rose gold bows that was purchased from Hobby Lobby. All of the green ornaments were purchased from Restore, which is an affiliate of Habitat for Humanity. The rose gold large ornaments were purchased from Hobby Lobby last year. And then the small rose golds were purchased from Amazon and from the Dollar Tree. The white bulbs and the silver bulbs were purchased over time from places such as Michael's, Walmart, and Joann's. This beautiful angel that's playing the trumpet is rose gold, and it was purchased at Hobby Lobby at their 60% off sale. It made several appearances on the tree as well. This floral pick was from Hobby Lobby as well. It is rose gold and it's beautiful. It's got little balls on it. Now, the Merry Christmas is a Hobby Lobby jewel as well. It is 60% off. It says Merry Christmas. It's rose gold and it has a little jewel hanging on the end of it. It is absolutely beautiful. The stars came from Amazon last year. And then I have a silver blinged out Christmas tree in the background that was purchased also from Michael's a couple of years ago. This is a DIY of a cluster that I made, and a short is going to come out to show you how to do a cluster of your ornaments. The rose gold Merry Christmas ornament from Hobby Lobby at 60% off made several appearances on the tree as well. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for joining me today. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Click the notification bell so that you will be notified of all my videos when they're uploaded. Share me out because sharing is caring. I also want to let you know, if you want to see my full dining room decorated for Christmas 2022, please be sure to join me back again. Keep that notification bell tapped so that you will get the notification when the video is released. As I always say at the end of each and every one of my videos, God bless you. See you next time. Love you long time. Merry Christmas to everyone. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye for now.